Good morning and welcome to the first Junior Skills Championship organized by NSDC and CBSE. My name is Gaurangana Sood and I am the expert in graphic design, and today I'm going to be giving you an overview of the examination that is going to be taking place. Now about the skill. Graphic design uses a variety of platforms, software, and mediums to create effective communication collaterals. Students who study graphic design are expected to understand the fundamentals of design, which is elements of design and principle of design, basic color theory, two-dimensional and three-dimensional perspectives, lines, textures, patterns, etc. It will require students to create deliverables using elements and principles as already stated and connecting the brief to the execution. If the student has additional abilities in photography, game design, 3D animation, motion graphics, and other relevant digital skills, then they can definitely advance to an even more professional level. Graphic design could be for you if you like being creative, being imaginative, making things, using your computer, using tools, working on multiple media, and problem solving. Technical inputs. It will be an added benefit for the student if they know how to use basic softwares like Illustrator, Photoshop, and InDesign. They're all Adobe softwares. You have Creative Cloud as well. If not, you can always use CorelDRAW. Their fundamentals on elements and principles of design need to be clear. Use of mixed media to be able to communicate ideas clearly and being able to digitize artworks will be beneficial in this field. What the competitor needs to know about the skill. This skill is meant to expand your creativity and communicate ideas effectively. Graphic design is just a medium for the student to create digital design deliverables to solve a problem or serve as a communication tool. What competitor should be able to do in this test project? This test project is designed to test your basic understanding of principles of design, color theories, and visual graphics. Your theoretical understanding will be checked as well as your technical know-how in using these softwares. Now, there are going to be 4 levels in this examination. The first level is going to be a multiple choice question paper where you will have 4 options each and you will have to choose the correct answer. The second level is also going to be online and it's going to have theoretical as well as subjective questions where you will have MCQs but also long answers that you will have to write. Level 3 is also going to be online, for which you will have to do a concept note on what you're going to eventually execute and a design mood board for it. Level 4, which is going to be physical, that is face-to-face, will have you do a software design problem and execute it graphically as well and then present your work. Moving forward. Evaluation system and parameters. The student will be assessed on their theoretical understanding of graphics and design and their ability to effectively understand the basic fundamentals of software usage, the softwares that I have mentioned in the past. They will be further assessed on how well they can conceptualize, visualize, and then graphically execute an idea. The basis of each project will assess color usage, typography, digitization of the idea, and creativity. Detailed evaluation will be provided as well as mock test papers as the competition progresses forward. Now, resources or requirements to take this particular test. Your technical requirements will be a desktop, a laptop, mobile phone, or tab with internet, basic Adobe softwares or Creative Cloud to practice for the webinars, and the specific softwares in your Creative Cloud should be InDesign, Illustrator, or Photoshop, and you can also use CorelDRAW. The non-technical aspects of this examination will be that you will need to have elements of design and principles of design well versed. You will also need to be able to put color theory into practice, two-dimensional and three-dimensional perspective and its understanding, basic software terminology, typography or font selection, creative conceptualization, and being able to effectively execute an idea digitally or graphically. Your instructions are online level 1 will have MCQs with 60 questions related to topics discussed in the earlier slides. The second and third online test will have again MCQs, which are multiple choice questions with subjective questions in related area of skill. And your physical and fourth round is going to assess students in becoming professionals in the industry by seeing how well you can execute through software and present an idea. For any further queries, please write to us at worldskillsindia@nsdcindia.org.